Welcome to our video series on how to use Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro with in-face visualization, multiple treatment simulations, and smile video. In this first video, you'll learn the initial steps needed to run the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro. We'll cover how to set up a patient or prospect profile using the Invisalign Practice app, capture wide smile photo and a video, complete a scan, and launch the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro. Let's start with the patient profile setup. Log into the Invisalign Practice app. Add your patient by tapping on Invisalign or prospect. Enter the patient's details along with any relevant notes. Next, capture a wide smile photo. This is key for generating the Smile Architect simulation. Follow the in-app positioning guide for the best results. For an enhanced experience, use the Smile Video feature. Simply tap the video icon and record 20 to 30 seconds of the patient smiling and speaking naturally. Make sure the room has good lighting and a clean, uncluttered background, and keep your phone steady. Smile Video Capture is supported on iPhone 10 or newer and iPads from 2017 or later. It's not yet available on Android devices. The next step is scanning. On your iTero scanner, tap New Scan and fill out the RX form. Select your procedure type, Invisalign or Vivera or Study Model Eye Record. Scan the upper arch, lower arch, and bite, then tap the envelope icon to submit. Check the box for Initiate Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro to have the simulation generated automatically in the background. Next, you can choose either Send or Send and View. If you click Send, the viewer screen will be open. We recommend clicking Send and View, as this will finish the scan and automatically open the Align Oral Health Suite. Once the Align Oral Health Suite opens, go to the Overview menu. In the top right-hand corner, the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro button will display the calculation status. While the simulation is calculating, you can use the Align Oral Health Suite tools to help the patient understand their current oral health status. We suggest using these tools to take the patient through each oral health condition step by step. This is an ideal time to build awareness and prepare them for a treatment discussion. Two simulations run in the background: the Invisalign treatment simulation for orthodontic treatments and the Invisalign Smile Architect for ortho-restorative treatments. If a video was captured, it will also be processed automatically. You can monitor the calculation progress. Once one of the simulations is completed, a green check mark appears on the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro button. Tap the button to launch it. In this video, you learned how to take a wide smile photo and record a video that will be used to generate an Invisalign Smile video simulation. In the next video, we'll show you how to view and customize your patient's smile simulation for a truly engaging treatment conversation.